Experience the future of handling contracts, rights, and royalties now, anytime, anywhere. Get the best possible support for all your publishing processes. The leading CR&R solution is now available in the Klopotek Cloud. Using a slick, smart, pre-configured system in the cloud. At genuine low cost, easy to work with, proven and reliable, unrivaled by any other vendor. For accurate contract document management and better author relations. For optimal preparation of royalty calculation periods for all types of publishers. For you. What will you get? The best of breed approach to managing contracts, rights, and royalties at low cost. How does it work? Get a free 4-week trial period. Test the system and get training for 2 weeks. Our experts will assist you every step of the way. Join Q&A sessions and watch training tutorials online. Join the Klopotek Cloud community. Are there more options? Select add-ons tailored to your individual needs. As Klopotek Cloud makes use of a shared organization and infrastructure, it is a cost-effective alternative to operating a system on-premise. For more information on Klopotek Cloud, please don't hesitate and contact us.